The final topic in this domain will cover the types of shots one might use when filming video.
For the exam, it is very important to know when these shots are used and why someone would use them.
Keep in mind that these are guides, but all types of shots will vary depending upon the theme one has for a scene. The first shot we will cover is a close-up, or CU. This type of shot is used to get the focus on a single person or object, and is used often when a shot from farther away would make it difficult to see the person or object we want to focus on. If you get really close to the person or object, you have an extreme close-up shot, otherwise known as an ECU. A shot that is considered to be fairly close is a medium close-up shot, or MCU. Close-up shots are often used as reaction shots, meaning one can focus on the reaction of a person during a scene. A medium shot, or MS for short, is a shot that has equal parts focus on a person or object and a background. In other words, neither is really emphasized. These shots represent what people see with typical vision, as the focus is not adjusted to emphasize any particular part of these shots. A wide shot, or WS, typically uses a wide-angle lens and is used to draw context around a subject in a video. It is often used at the beginning of a scene to establish the scene itself. A long shot, or LS, is similar to a wide shot but is used more to stress the environment of a scene, not to establish a scene. And with an extreme long shot, or ELS, the subject in the shot is no longer visible, so the focus really is on the environment of a scene. There is one shot I want to show you that is not on the test, a drone shot. These are becoming more and more popular as they can fly into places and film that which would otherwise be very hard to reach, like a street from up high and between buildings. One very important aspect of filming with drones: most spaces have limitations. Find out what they are before you film. For example, trying to fly a drone through a state or federal government area will most likely get you in trouble with the FAA or other government agency. A background shot, or BG, focuses more on the background of the scene. Any objects in the background are not in focus. The opposite is true with a foreground shot, or FG. In this shot, the background is basically blurred and the focus is on the foreground object or person. An over-the-shoulder shot, or OTS, is often used in conversations between two people, to where the focus is mostly on the person further away in the shot. The head and shoulders of the closest person is used to frame the view of the other person in the conversation. A point of view shot, or POV, is used to show a scene through the eyes of one of the persons in the scene. The person is represented through the camera. The camera will move as the person moves, or at least that is the goal of the shot. Finally, we have a cutaway shot. Cutaway shots help to maintain continuity in a scene and provide context within a scene. For example, here we see a two-shot of a man and a dog with a cutaway shot of the man's cast. This helps to keep things interesting when a shot seems stagnant. Cutaway shots can also help to cover up unusable portions of a main shot while editing a video.